I need to travel now. Live here in Brooklyn. So Brighton Beach 6, Shore Parkway. I'm just looking around. I needed to travel, so I did. And this is what I'm seeing. This is what I saw. So that's Coney Island Hospital over there. Coney Island Hospital complex. And this is the highway, the parkway. All right. You're watching the cars go by. Let's burn a few seconds and just watch the car go by. By the way, today's date is Wednesday, January 3rd, 2024. Can you believe it? It's 1:32 in the PM and 1:32 PM. And this is what I'm seeing. This is what I saw. I'm on the move. I'm on the move. Am I on the move? Yep, I'm on the move. So what's going on right now is that I needed to get from one location to another, and I decided to let you see what I see, hear what I hear. I need to travel now, so I'm traveling. Let's go over here. And let's turn around. Nope. Let's turn around. Let's turn around this way. Let's go. Okay. This is a short one. But this is how you're going to see this part of Brooklyn. Thank you. Wow, over here look like not a lot of people walk this part. Yeah, what I hear, see what I saw. I need to travel now, so I'm traveling. Highway. Yeah, what I hear. See what I saw. I need to travel now, so I'm traveling. Ay. Know what I know. See what I saw. Yeah, what I heard. I need to travel now, so I'm traveling. So this is how it look over here. It's just the idea for you to see something that you probably didn't see. And that's what's going on right now. Literally just traveling. I'm traveling. I should have go over there in the shade so you can see into the light. You can't see into the light. You can't see into the dark from the shade. I mean, you can't see into the dark from the light. Science of video. Science of... All right, well, thank you. Yeah, what I hear, see what I saw. I need to travel now, so I'm traveling. See what I see, hear what I heard. I need to travel now, so I'm traveling. Oh, construction is going on here. Remember I told you, construction never done. Construction never done. Construction never done. Doesn't matter where you are on the planet. 99.9% of the time, there's some kind of construction going on. I think 99.99999%, and the rest. Some kind of construction is going on. Even if they dig a hole in the ground. See what I heard? Yeah, what I heard. You need to travel now. So I'm traveling. Just going around Barnett Road. Just going around, just looking at the area. This is just exploring of Brooklyn. If you look at I Need to Travel Now, you'll see parts of Brooklyn, at least the streets, the public areas, that you will never see anywhere else. You just go like, how does that street look at like? So I need to start calling out the street a little more. But you can follow it on the GPS. If you can literally do street view on the GPS and follow exactly the streets by looking at the buildings and say, hey, this is what was going on at that moment in time when he was going by. And that's what you're gonna see. This is what's going on in this moment in time. Right here on Neptune Avenue and Brighton Beach Street. I like what they named down here. Brighton Beach. So it's like Neptune Avenue, the Neptunes, and Brighton Beach Street. Oh, it have like traffic jam here. So let me go back and I'm gonna cut the stream because this is a short stream. Remember I told you that, right? Thank you. This is a short one. So this is Brighton Beach Street. Brighton Beach Street. I like it. Brighton Beach Street. Neptune, look at it. Just in case you think I'm joking. This is how they name the streets down here. See that? Brighton, not just Brighton. Brighton Tree Street. But Brighton Beach is down here, so that's why I always say Brighton Beach. So Brighton Tree Street. Hear what I hear, saw what I saw. I need to travel now, so I'm traveling. Go where I go, move where I move. I need to travel now, so I'm traveling. Traveling. So the numbers go up this direction. The Brighton Beach 4. Brighton, stop saying Brighton Beach. Brighton 4th Street. My mind just saw some of this. Okay. And this is what's going on here at this moment in time. Like I said before, the time right now is 1:39 in the PM, Wednesday, January 3rd, 2024. Can you believe it? Life is just going. You know that song, Life Just Slipping Away. Just got to acknowledge that life is just keep going and going. This thing that people call life is just, you're just aging. If you're lucky enough, you live longer. It's just reality. Then some people just get accustomed to it. Okay, pigeons. Some parts of Brooklyn don't have a lot of pigeons anymore. Those black crows run them out. Like parts of Brownsville used to have a lot of pigeons. Now the black crows and them rule over there. But wherever the black crows are, you don't see pigeons. I think they said they eat the pigeons. So let's just watch some pigeons because I pretty much, there's a short stream. Let's end with the pigeons, with different races of pigeons all eating at the same table. Different races, different ethnic groups, different colors. Brooklyn Pigeons. I should name this whole video Brooklyn Pigeons. You know when they have a movie, they name it something. And then one little small part of the movie reference to what the whole name of the movie is. Pigeons in Brooklyn. Neptune Avenue between Brighton 5th Street and Brighton 4th Street. See, they hang out on the line up there. Right. I needed to travel, so I did. I traveled from one location to another, and I did. I told you, sometimes randomly you're going to hear what I hear, see what I saw on the move in Brooklyn, and sometimes we'll just see. So you did. Subscribe. I need to travel now. The journey just begun. Don't forget, ever so often, I need to travel now. I need to get from one location to another. And you may just see what I saw on the journey. So I need to get back on track. You wouldn't know what I did or what I'm going to do. But you just saw what I saw. Bye. Subscribe. Tutanana. Adios. Goodbye. Until next time. Advertisa. Tutanana. Subscribe. I need to travel now.